Okay, time to take a look at the VEVOR towel warmer. So we got our lid. I really like that accent on there. That's cool. Looks like it's vented out the side, and we do have a spot on the bottom where we can put some kind of a capsule. Okay, that is actually very cool looking. It almost looks like pottery. So it comes with lavender sachet. We got our instructions. Then on the top we got the power button. This will select the time that's going to be running for, and then we got the temperature, low, medium, and high. And it's a nice large container, much bigger than I was expecting. On the bottom we got some feet. They have rubber padding on it, and then we got the cord coming out the back. So they're calling this the fragrance disc, so I'm going to put the lavender in there and screw that into the top. So by default it's on high on 20 minutes. Cool. So I'll just leave it like that for a bit, and then we'll come back to it. So right after I stopped recording, it went from blue to red. So red means it's over 40 degrees Celsius on the inside, so you need to be careful and not touch the inside wall. But I can already feel that there is plenty of heat coming from that. So I'm just going to give that about 5 minutes, and we'll come back to it. So I was reading the instructions. It actually says that tightly rolled or folded towels will take longer to heat thoroughly. 2 towels will take longer than 1. So where I have this towel rolled up, oh wow, that's actually already almost done. That's amazing. But it actually says to loosely throw that towel in there, and that will heat up quicker, which makes sense. Okay, so it's been about 6 minutes, so let's see what we got. Oh yeah, that is cool. So it's like, you know when you're drying your towels and you open up the dryer right away and you pull the towel out and it's just nice and cozy? That's what this feels like. It almost feels softer too. That is awesome. So if you're looking for a luxury showering experience, this is what you want. So that is an awesome towel warmer. I am very happy with that.